Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So, blooming jelly dress for yourself. This is a swimsuit. Blooming jelly woman's swimsuit. Excuse me. I know it's a little bit like in the classroom when the teacher is teaching and you try to be quiet and you are sneaking in to eat a piece of candy, and the candy or cookie with plastic wrap, and it has this sound. The more you try to make it quiet, the longer it takes, and the more people will feel your stress and your intention, and that is so fun. Jelly. Oh my goodness, this is so... I like everything in one piece. I do not like beginning. You just you feel your tummy is unsupported and not comfortable. I will give it a try. And I like something simple. I do not not a big fan of these metals and things, but they have it. So this is a winner unboxing. I will give it a try a bit later. Let me see if I can get rid of it. I don't think I can get rid of it. But this one, I definitely can get rid of it. Does not make any particular use. And this I can put into a bag or something else. Yeah, it's these are two pieces of useful metals. We'll take a look. Oh, that's quite high. Okay, see you later, alligator. Now let's take a look. Actually, this is not too uncomfortable. It's pretty. Very bright color. Oh, so bright, this color. A little bit loose, but very comfortable. That's it. Okay. I just realized as I wear it, I find it a little bit long. This one, actually, you can adjust long or short to make it tight or make it loose. So it's flexible. That's pretty good. And this one is actually you do not feel it. It's quite comfortable. That's a very good addition. I would prefer it tight, so I may tighten it up, because you know Olympians, when they swim, they wear the swimsuit very, very, very tight. And it takes them so much effort to just wear the swimsuit. So I'm not Olympian, but I can have the spirit of Olympian. Pretty good. So it's very relaxed and comfortable soutien-gorge. And here it tightens up. It's flattering for the body type. And you can make it long, make it short for your desire. It's a good one, a very good design. And one piece, I love one piece. Bon appetit. Thank you very, very much. Return. I will not return. I do not return stuff. Yeah, this is a good one. Very good one. Bye bye, friend.